All right, now other conversions. Okay, we have 3 feet. And I know you know how many inches 3 feet makes, but I'm just using this to show you. First thing you want to do, we know we can't use this chart because feet and inches are not on here, okay? Sometimes they might give you one that's on here, but then you'll be converting into something else that's not, so you can't use this chart. You can only use that. You can only use the chart whenever you're doing metric to metric conversions. All right, so now, first thing you do, you make your chart, top and bottom. The number they give you goes up top, so that'd be 3 feet. You gotta have the unit. A 1 goes under here, so that's what you always do, first step, write what they give you and put a 1 underneath it. Next, this unit has to drop down, so that would give you feet. And then we want to go into inches, so inches is going to go up here. Now we just have to decide which unit is bigger. So as we know, it takes 12 inches to make up a foot, so the foot is the bigger unit. So the foot gets the 1. Now it takes 12 inches to make it 1 foot. So there we go. All right. Now these can cancel because they are across from each other. And now we just multiply. 3 times 12 is 36. And then 1 times 1 will be 1. So that leaves you 36 over 1, which will be 36 inches. Okay. Now this one over here. This one shows it in a little longer process. Okay. You have 370 days, you want to go into seconds. So again, you write what they give you, 370 days, okay, over 1. The days comes down here, okay. Now, we knew how many inches were in a foot, but we don't know how many seconds make up a day. So one thing we do know is it takes 24 hours, so we're going to put hours right here. Okay, so which one's the bigger unit? The day, because it takes 24 hours to make it up, so we put that. The days cancel. We are not in seconds yet, so we cannot stop here, so we have to make another box. All right, let me see if I can do this. All right, we have to make another box. Okay, hours comes down here. We do not know how many seconds are in an hour off the top of our heads, so we're going to go to minutes. Again, the hour is the bigger unit, so that gets the 1. Takes 60 minutes to make up an hour. Cancel the hours out, so we're at minutes now. Okay, now we're not in seconds, so we have to do another one. Minutes comes down here. This unit always comes down and across. And now we do know how many seconds make up a minute, so the minute gets the 1 and takes 60 seconds. Okay, and then we cancel out the minutes. Now all you have to do is multiply the top and the bottom together. So if we take the calculator, 370 times 24 times 60 times 60, and that gives you this number, would be 1 second, 3196823. All right, so you get that number divided over 1, that would be 31968, and then 3 zeros, and that is your seconds in 370 days. Okay, now next, this one kind of shows you a little bit better of how we're actually going to use this. Okay, so we want to go pounds to kilograms. They give us 160 pounds. Okay, so I'll put it over 1. Again, this unit has come down, so pounds. And we don't know, there's no middleman that we can go through. There's nothing we can go through to get to kilogram. We just have to go straight to it, okay? Now, what they give you is, they usually give you a conversion number that looks like this, okay? So we know that 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. We just know that, that was given to us. All right, so which one's the bigger unit? Kilogram, because of one of these equals 2 of those. So the kilogram gets the 1 this time. And as you know, it's different because the 1's on the top now, which means the pounds gets 2.2. Pounds cancel out. And now we're in kilograms. So all we have to do is multiply across. So 160 times 1 would be 160. 1 times 2.2 would be 2.2. And now we must divide. So 160 divided by 2.2 equals 72.73 kilograms. And that is the basic idea of metric conversions and then other conversions. All right, let me know if you have any questions.